Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you homemade buns. It will be individual shapes and kids will enjoy it having their own bun. I'm going to use the heart shape, then I'm going to use the rectangular shape and the round shape. All these bake pans are from Chefmade. If you are interested, then I'll provide the link under my description, so please check it out. Prior to using it, I'm going to wash it. I have my dough ready and let's get started. We'll take out the dough. And how do I make a dough? Please watch my video. I have posted a video how to make a nice and fluffy dough. So we're going to dust off the counter and I'll take it out. We're going to sprinkle some dried flour. This is really nice and fluffy dough. The heart shape, the round shape and the rectangular shape. This is really nice. It's non-stick. You just push it from bottom once it's done. We're going to roll out like this. So I'm going to divide this one into 12 equal portions. First we're going to do it right in the middle. And we're going to keep this one on the side and we're going to work on this one. Now we're going to make it 6 even. We'll work on this one. We're going to make 3 of these. I'm going to show you 3 and then I'll finish up the rest. This is 1, 2 and 3. Dust off the counter surface, very little amount. And this is all we need to do. Tap it and we're just going to roll it like this. You pull it from top and just like this. It's going to be like round ball shape, just like we are making dough, just like this. I grab the heart, we're going to put it right in the heart. Now we're going to prove it another 15 minutes, so we're going to let it sit on the side and now work on the round shape. Once nicely done, just like this, we're going to put it right in the middle and we're going to leave it on the side for 15 minutes. Put it like a ball shape like we did on the 2. So we can keep it like this. This is perfect. And we're going to place it right in there. This is 3 done. I have 9 more to go and I'll do the exact same way and then I'll share with you. This is the last one and this is looking good and I'll place it right in there. And now we're going to wait for 15 minutes, then we'll put it in oven, and oven is preheated at 350°F. Now we're going to place this one in oven, and prior to putting it, we're going to give egg wash. I'm taking only the white part and get a brush and we're going to coat them nicely. Each one of them, just like this. One more to go. This is the last one. And now we're going to place this one in oven. We're going to place it on the middle rack. And we're going to come back after 15 minutes. It's exactly 15 minutes. Our homemade buns are ready and I'm going to turn off the oven and I'll open it. Look at how delicious. Look at these. They're all done. Let me share with you. Look at how delicious the buns they are looking, and before serving we're going to let them cool down, and I have my cooling rack ready, so I'll place right in there. And if we look at right now, it's really hot. Look at these. So perfect. This is a rectangular shape. The kid's going to have it one piece and they will love it. Good thing about these, they are non-stick, and also if they get stuck on the edges, you can push it from bottom. So these are really good, I like it. So now we can pull each one of them. This is, look at the heart. They're perfectly done. It's always a good idea, let them cool down prior to serving. So we're going to wait for like 5 minutes. I love the heart shape. I hope you like this recipe, homemade buns. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.